Nothing.
Lower.
So it's too low. Let's turn it a little higher.
Yeah.
See how noisy it is with this. This is going to be a faster speed. There's a little hum if I use this. So we're not going to do that. We're not going to do a variable speed wall control because we don't need hum in here. So where was that pass in Seymour? That'll be pretty much the only option. Are you videotaping?
I am.
Awesome. Okay, we're turning the fan pull chain to low, and I believe this is the faster low speed setting. Yep, faster low speed setting. So this is fan pull chain on low, fan variable speed control on high, wall control on low, just so we can compare the two speeds.
That was not the fan.
No, that was somebody upstairs moving a table. Okay, now we're going to move the variable speed control to low and omit the wall control and see if it's any faster. It doesn't seem to be any faster, does it?
No.
So I guess we really don't need a wall control. We can get the best selection of speeds from the fan itself. Gradually turn this up since you're filming. This is low on the pull chain, high on the variable speed control. And let's turn it on high for the pull chain. Now, of course, the variable speed control does nothing. It's putting it back to low. Put it back to the slower low speed. Are you able to film and have a free hand at the same time?
One sec. This thing kept trying to go out of focus, so I had to.
How dare it?
Right.
So I have an idea. Okay, this is a nice bootleg way of testing it. So, don't judge me, internets. I could very easily have solved all this by just removing this switch. We wouldn't even be having this issue. Okay. So of course this isn't going to go how I want it to when it's filming. So,
It never does.
no. Stupid camera, it's all your fault. There we go. Wait a second. Fan is spinning. I thought when we had low on the control, low on the fan control, it didn't spin, but it's spinning.
Very slowly.
Maybe I'm not making a good connection here. Maybe that's what it is. Okay. Here's what I want you to do, okay?
Okay.
Take the fan control and just gradually turn it until the blades start spinning.
Right about there.
Okay, leave it there. Is that too slow?
That's extremely
Try,
slow.
try it a little more, because that's not, doesn't even look like it's moving from here. Here, leave it
Oh,
there.
it's moving.
Dan, what?
Hi Dan, do you know
Hi,
what the
Debbie.
vacuum is? The blue one?
Young was moving vacuums around the other day. You can turn it a little higher because I guess it's stalling out. Young was moving vacuums around the other day, and so I would check.
I know where I can get a hold of him.
Alright, now we got movement.
I'm thinking maybe I'll put this 4-speed wall control in here just to give it a few more options, because now I have that nice low speed as an option. Did it stall out again? Oh, no, that's me. The wire came unclipped. That's because these alligator clips are not the smartest way to do this.
There it goes. It can even start on its own at that point,
Yeah, well, I want it to be able to start on its own.
naturally.
So yeah, if we put this 4-speed wall control in, then we have the option of, yeah, it just gives a variety of speeds. So I think I'm going to do that, because then I've got a lot of choices. So let's install this. Let's disconnect this old ugly wall switch and put in this new, not new, beautiful shiny 4-speed control. Yeah, that's a real classy low speed. That's a nice looking fan. I'm gonna turn it to the fan's low speed so I can remove the control, because I'm gonna go start looking for
Okay.
wall plate and see if I want to use a different knob. I'm just gonna look in here in my control central station